It can be difficult for any business owner, entrepreneur, or designer to be looking at their brand imagery or the visuals of their project or products, and to feel like what they're seeing doesn't really represent their business anymore and doesn't communicate their original vision. You're not crazy, you're not alone, and there's no reason to worry. These thoughts are only indicative of the fact that the world is changing and your industry is evolving and your audience is growing. So despite what you may think, you should be updating the visual and aesthetic parts of your branding just as often as you're updating a lot of the more logistical and technical aspects of your business. I'm Dan with OnlineLabels, and in this video, we're gonna go over 5 steps that could really quickly and easily take you from awkward, outdated visuals into a visual style that's gonna make both you and your customers really excited to see what you have coming next. A good place to start is with your logo. This is obviously a really high-level decision because your logo is going to be included on pretty much anything associated with your business or brand whatsoever. So it can take some time to roll out a change like this. That being said, this is a great way to make a big impact on your customers and communicate to them that you're making a big change if that's what you want to do. You can get really creative here using custom artwork and graphics that communicate the core of what your company is really about. Obviously, as a company, rolling out a logo change is one of the most recognizable and bold choices you can make, so definitely consider all of the weight and the impact of this decision before jumping in. Step 2 is to completely redefine your visual branding. There are a lot of mini steps that go into this one because it really makes up the entire aesthetic and visual style of your brand. Think about your color palette. Color psychology is absolutely huge when it comes to marketing and in the way customers perceive products, even straight off the shelf or when shopping online. You can also get down into your font choices, your graphics, and really any other minute elements that could be influencing how customers are perceiving your design. But a good business tip is to always keep your branding consistent across all platforms. The third thing that you can do is to launch new flavors, scents, or items for your customers to communicate that there's going to be a big boom of productivity in the new year. These don't have to be big changes. They could be very subtle changes to existing scents or flavors that you could accentuate with new custom labels and new designs that keep things fresh and exciting for your buyers. Creating products for the holidays, for the seasons, and creating other limited runs of products that you think your customers would enjoy is a really good way to connect with them and show them that you care. And step 4 is to increase your usage of custom stickers. With logo stickers, with thank you stickers, QR code stickers, there are a ton of ways that you can connect with your audience and make sure you're making an impact. Throwing in some custom die-cut stickers with your order, especially with some new color palettes or logos, is a really good way to communicate that a change has arrived to the people who are buying your products. And step 5, one of the best ways you can maximize your branding is by using custom labels on the inside of your packaging. We've talked about this tip before, but it's a really good way to make a connection with your customer when they're unboxing your items. Ultimately, as a business, you want to be storytelling and making every customer feel like they're part of the team or part of the family. So including labels that have extra details about the products that the customers bought, about the history of your company, or really anything else that's going to bring your customers in is a really good idea and could really elevate your branding. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and if you want to see more label and sticker content, make sure to subscribe for more. We'll see you next week.